Welcome to Future Living Skills. Autumn harvest in the garden. Great time to be outdoors. You're harvesting the crops you've grown during the summer, and you're thinking about the ones you're going to grow in the autumn and the winter. Future Living Skills is a source of information. It's designed for courses, or you can learn on your own at home. Published on the web. sustainableliving.org.nz is the website, and it's free to use. We're going to have a quick look at this garden, see what you could be doing too. Let's have an explore. What you see here are a silver beet from earlier in the year which has been saved for seed so that we can grow it again next year. Next to that is a climbing bean, the last of the climbing beans this autumn, which are runners. Across from there some silver beet we're currently harvesting, behind that some beetroot. Nearer to us in the foreground a courgette plant. Autumn jobs include bringing in your harvest from the summer and planning your growth for the spring harvest. You can grow a lot of crops in the winter. If you do some protection to keep the soil warmer and control the weather conditions, such as this homemade polythene greenhouse here, you can grow crops for an extended period. And the crops we're harvesting now include our carrots. Here's one I loosened earlier. Nice to have homegrown produce. These have been grown using a companion plant, the leeks, also a crop. The two of them together are successful because the leeks help keep away the carrot fly. That sort of know-how, some of the old traditional knowledge and some modern science are included in our programme. Future Living Skills. Practical help, now when you need it, fun to do and free. To learn more about Future Living Skills and how your garden can be a very productive place, visit the website